On a snowy road, two parked vehicles stand quietly as traffic moves slowly. Suddenly, a donkey steps out from between the cars, entering the adjacent lane. A police car approaches, but notices the donkey too late. The slippery road and limited visibility make stopping nearly impossible. The car collides with the donkey, highlighting the unpredictable dangers animals can face in busy traffic conditions, especially during harsh weather. A car drives through a forested road, surrounded by dense trees on either side. Suddenly, a bear emerges from the right, attempting to cross to the other side. The driver has no time to react. The impact is unavoidable as the bear collides with the vehicle. This tragic moment reminds us of the risks posed by roads cutting through wildlife habitats, where such encounters can happen in an instant. On a busy highway, a car cruises steadily along its lane. From the left, a deer suddenly sprints toward the road. The driver has no time to react. The vehicle strikes the deer, unable to avoid the unexpected impact. Such incidents highlight the dangers wildlife face near highways, where high speeds leave little room for reaction. On a rainy day, a car moves cautiously along the wet road. Suddenly, from the left, a dog darts out at full speed. The driver notices at the last moment and reacts quickly, but the slippery conditions make it impossible to stop in time. The impact is inevitable, a tragic reminder of how unpredictable animals can be near roads, especially in challenging weather conditions. During a lively festival in Spain, a bull is released into the streets, charging through the crowd with force. Suddenly, it targets a parked vehicle, lowering its horns in aggression. The bull strikes the car's tire, puncturing it instantly. Unrelenting, it continues its attack, denting and damaging the vehicle further. This intense moment highlights the raw power of these animals during traditional events, where their unpredictable behavior can lead to unexpected chaos. During a safari tour, a group observes the wilderness from their open vehicle. Suddenly, a massive elephant approaches, showing signs of agitation. In an unexpected display of strength, the elephant lifts the safari vehicle into the air. It drops the car back down, only to lift it again moments later. Finally, the elephant releases the vehicle, and the shaken safari car rolls backward to safety. This dramatic encounter showcases the sheer power of elephants and the unpredictability of wildlife during safaris. Luxury car sits parked on a quiet road when a curious bear approaches. Spotting movement inside, it pulls on the car's window. In an unexpected moment, the bear breaks the door handle, startling itself. It flees in panic, but doesn't go far. Moments later, the bear returns, drawn by the scent of an apple held by the compassionate car owner. Gently, it takes the apple and disappears into the woods. This unique encounter highlights the delicate balance between curiosity and caution in human-wildlife interactions. From the edge of the forest, a bear emerges onto the road, unaware of the approaching vehicle. The driver, distracted, fails to react in time. The impact sends the bear tumbling to the side of the road. Struggling to its feet, the injured animal attempts to walk but stumbles, clearly in pain. This tragic moment serves as a reminder of the dangers wildlife face near roads, emphasizing the need for careful driving in areas close to animal habitats. A family on a safari drives slowly along a dirt road, enjoying the serene wilderness. Ahead, a majestic elephant calmly crosses the path, its powerful presence commanding respect. The elephant continues to walk, passing right beside their vehicle. The family remains still, watching in awe. The elephant pays no attention to them and moves on peacefully. This moment reminds us of an essential truth. Animals are not inherently dangerous. When we respect their space and avoid making them feel threatened, they often coexist with us in harmony. On a busy highway, a car speeds along, unaware of what's ahead. Suddenly, from the left, a deer leaps onto the road. The driver has no time to react. Traveling at high speed, the car strikes the deer, sending it tumbling. This tragic scene highlights the dangers wildlife face near highways, where fast-moving vehicles leave little room for escape. On a busy highway, a car speeds along, unaware of what's ahead. Suddenly, from the left, a deer leaps onto the road. The driver has no time to react. Traveling at high speed, the car strikes the deer, sending it tumbling. This tragic scene highlights the dangers wildlife face near highways, where fast-moving vehicles leave little room for escape. In a small village, a bull accidentally falls into a deep well, leaving the community scrambling for a solution. With the help of an excavator, rescuers work tirelessly to lift the frightened animal. Carefully and patiently, they maneuver the bull out of the narrow space. Finally, after great effort, the bull is brought to safety, greeted by cheers from the onlookers. This moment showcases the compassion and determination of people to save an animal in need. A mother bear and her cubs wander into the city, exploring their unfamiliar surroundings. Spotting a parked car, the bear curiously attempts to open it. With one strong pull, the window shatters. Startled, the bear briefly retreats, her cubs following close behind. Moments later, she returns, climbing into the car in search of food or shelter. This encounter highlights the increasing overlap between wildlife and urban areas, emphasizing the importance of secure environments to prevent such incidents. A woman drives along a quiet highway, focused on the road ahead. Suddenly, a bear darts out from the left side and has no time to react. The car collides with the bear, leaving the driver in shock. Fear takes over as she struggles to process what just happened. This heartbreaking moment serves as a reminder of the unpredictability of wildlife near highways and the importance of cautious driving in such areas. An angry bull charges toward a parked car, its frustration evident. With incredible strength, it lifts the vehicle into the air. The bull slams the car back down, only to repeat the act multiple times. Each strike leaves the vehicle more damaged than before. This intense display of power highlights the unpredictable nature of such animals, reminding us of the respect and caution they demand. A truck loaded with logs moves along the road, seemingly unaware of its surroundings. Ahead, a group of cows stands idly on the path. Without paying attention, the driver continues, unable to slow down in time. The truck strikes the cows, a tragic result of carelessness. This unfortunate event highlights the critical need for vigilance, especially on roads shared with animals, where a moment of inattention can lead to devastating consequences. A bus moves steadily along its route, when suddenly, a deer leaps onto the road. The driver has no time to react. The impact shatters the windshield, and the deer is thrown into the bus. Panicked and disoriented, it struggles to escape, frantically moving inside the vehicle. The driver opens the doors to help, but the frightened deer continues its desperate attempts to find a way out. This chaotic scene underscores the unpredictable nature of wildlife encounters on the road, reminding us of the challenges such moments can bring.